Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to this week's reading and the message that comes from the source for you this week. Please remember that the message that I share with you right now is relevant for you throughout the week whenever you watch the video, whenever you come across this message. So it's not limited in time, in the linear time as we understand it. It is applicable to you whenever you come across this video, whenever you come across this message. So the first card that I pulled out today is called Put Others First, and this card comes from the deck called The Answer is Simple by Sonia Choquette. Now, this card is telling you to be of service. This is asking you to give from a space of love to another. We often, again, you have heard me talk about, self-love, loving yourself, putting yourself first, and this message might be a bit contradictory to what I've been telling you, but when you know what it feels to give, when you know how it feels to give unconditionally, when you know what love really feels like in giving, you open up to the possibility of receiving. There cannot be receiving without giving. You cannot understand what receiving feels like unless you have given that yourself and you've experienced the joy that has brought you. This card also reminds you to not just put others first, but do it from a space of love. Not from the space of compulsion, not from the space of shooting on yourself, but truly, genuinely putting somebody first because it feels good to you. When you do that, when you give because it brings you joy, you don't add expectation into the mix. Expectation is conditional giving. When you give because that brings me joy, you are gaining something from that giving. That is the feeling of happiness. That is the feeling of, again, feeling good in whatever way it shows up. When you focus on that, you are also receiving something. And then you don't hold the other person responsible for being a part of a bargain. So you do not hold somebody responsible for giving you something in return because you're already receiving something. And this is the way you show up in service to another. Purely because showing up for this other person, showing up for this other individual is bringing you joy. And that is where you cut the cord of again, attachment to the ego. So if you have felt that you have felt that I have to do this only because I have to do it, this card is reminding you to not do that, but to actually show up in love for another. Because as you do that, as you show up in love for another, as you show up in joy for another, you are going to activate the same into your life. You are going to activate the flow of the same in your life because, again, you're focusing on the joy. So this week, the energy is going to be about putting others first, but from a place of love, not because you should be doing it, not because somebody else has asked you to put somebody else first, not because the other person is expecting you to put them first, but because it feels good to you, because it feels right to you, because it brings you joy. So do it unconditionally. Do it because it feels good to you. That is the only condition it needs to serve. Does it feel good to me? Does it feel right to me? When you do that, when you show up for another, again, you are creating a ripple of shifts that you can't see right now, but it's going to create something powerful in your life moving forward. The suggestion, that card comes up as a suggestion, again, a reminder from the universe, is compassion for all. I think, again, the cards that have come up, the 3 cards that have come up, are very interconnected. I'll share that with you. This card that I have pulled out next comes from the Crazy Sexy Love Notes by Chris Carr, and the message here is compassion is the beating heart of all spiritual practices. The peace you seek comes from the peace you create. Extend your compassion to all beings today, including yourself. Everyone benefits when you are kind. May all beings be happy and free. So again, this card as a suggestion, as a reminder coming up throughout the week, is how you show up for others from a place of compassion. Again, it is not from a place of compulsion. It is not from a place of forcing yourself to show up or shooting on yourself, but because it feels good to you. Not right, but feels good to you. Don't focus on what is right or wrong. The only right and wrong is whether it feels good to you or it doesn't feel good to you. Learn to tap into your emotional guidance system and listen to what your emotions are guiding you into. And compassion, for me personally, compassion feels really good. I can actually hold somebody in my heart. I can hold others in my heart, and being able to share that love, that compassion makes me feel good. Because if I were to receive it from somebody, if I were to receive it from myself, I know it would make me feel good. And if I can show up from that place for another, it brings me joy. So a reminder, if it becomes difficult to put others first, how would you like to be treated? How would you like to show up for yourself? Go in that space. Go in that space. Go there in your emotions. And when you do that, it is going to be easier to choose others. It is going to be easier to choose compassion for others. If you don't know what compassion feels like, you are not going to be able to share it with another. So this card is reminding you to first choose compassion towards yourself. Understand the flavor of what compassion feels like. How does it taste? How does it feel like? What is its flavor? Extend that to yourself first, because only in experiencing that yourself will you be able to extend that to another. So extend your compassion to all beings today, including yourself. This week, extend that compassion to yourself first, because only once you understand the flavor of compassion, the taste of compassion, how it really tastes, how it feels to you, when you have your personal experience with that compassion, you will be able to extend that to another. And if this week it is about sharing that compassion, sharing that kindness with others, there is something bigger being created here. In doing that, you will be creating this inner peace. You will be creating some deep value for yourself. So follow it and see where it takes you. The outcome card, okay, where it ends, where the week, what note the week ends on, is again give more. So again, the more you practice compassion, the more you choose compassion in your relationship with others, the more you choose to love yourself and share that love with another, you are going to create this circle of love, kindness, which again comes back to you. A circle. So the circle will keep coming back and moving forward. So the more you give, the more receiving, you will attract. And this is what the card is reminding us: to be of service that feels, practice service that feels good to you. Show up in service where it feels good to you, and not get caught up in the expectation of how this action is going to show up. For me, what gain am I going to receive from that action? Don't focus on that, because again, when you focus on that, how others can show up for me, again, we give up our power. But if you focus on how I am showing up and what I am receiving in my showing up for myself and others, I am the only one who is responsible for my happiness. So again, this is something that I practice and I share with everyone else also. I definitely share this with everyone else, and I remind others also: give only if it feels good to you. Do anything for another only because it feels good to you, because the moment you do that, you have created your own happiness, because you have done something, you have chosen something, you've acted upon something only because it felt good to you. You did not hold a person, you did not create an exchange here between you and the other. You created an exchange between you and you. The more you gave because it made you feel happy, the more happiness you created for yourself. So that is the theme of this week, that you show up in relationship to others, in giving to others only because it brings you joy. Because the more you practice that, giving because it feels good to you, the more you will create an exchange, or the receiving from your power perspective. You being responsible for your happiness, you will begin to apply the principle of that, because you are not depending on others to fulfill certain conditions, you are fulfilling it yourself. So show up in this way this week, and you will get chances, you will get opportunities to practice this, put it into motion, apply this for yourself. Show up there and see how applying this message that the universe has shared with you creates a powerful experience for you. So do that, do practice that, do show up for yourself as you show up for others. In showing up for others, you're going to actually show up for yourself, and practice kindness, compassion, not just with others but with yourself. And as you apply that, you will see a shift in all areas of your life, and this is going to actually bring you immense joy. And this is all what we are about, what makes us happy. Doing things that make you feel good. Participating in action only because it's feeling good to you. When you do that, again, you listen to your inner guidance system, your emotional guidance system, and the path forward, your journey in life becomes much more deeper, fulfilling, and joyful. So yes, do leave a feedback once you have applied, what experience you have received from the application of this message. Do leave a feedback and let us know. Have a wonderful day moving forward. Stay blessed.